A2 Flashline 3. Got a 2018 Topps Chrome baseball blaster box. Surprised they still had them. There was a lot there. But good rookie class. So did pretty well in my first one. So this is my second one. So 8 packs. 1 pack is the sepias. So that's the sepias, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 regular packs. So I'll save the sepias for last. So I got a J.D. Davis rookie card, D.D. Gregorius, 83 refractor. Pulled this one in my last box, and I see an auto. Will Myers. We got Giovanni Gallegos, rookie auto, 9/99 for the Yankees PC. I guess he's a reliever, but take that. PC hit. Nice on-card auto. So that's the green refractor, 9/99. So that was a solid first pack, especially being a Yankees fan. DD. Jack Flaherty rookie. We got a Cody Bellinger Future Stars, Zach Greinke, and a Trout base. Clint Frazier rookie for the Yankees PC. Brandon Woodruff rookie Prism. Kenley Jansen and Barrios. Sandy Alcantara rookie, Adam Jones, Orlando Arcia refractor, and John Gray. So 3 regular packs left. Andrew Miller, Aaron Judge, Superstar Sensations for the Yankees PC, so that's a nice one. Gregory Polanco, and a Rafael Devers 83 rookie refractor insert, so that's cool. 2 more regular packs. Brian Dozier base, Chris Sale base, Ender Enciarte base, Max Kepler. So all base pack there. Last regular pack. Craig Kimbrell. Edwin Diaz, a Jack Flaherty rookie refractor, Orlando Arcia base. Now on to the sepias. We got Cody Allen. It's a Yankee. Nice. Gleyber Torres. Sepia. Wow. Really nice pull there. Very nice. I was actually going to buy this card on eBay. very nice sepia Gleyber Torres. So that's awesome. And then rounding out these, Will Myers and Zach Greinke. So a very good box. Topps Chrome has been pretty good. This was better than the last one, for sure, but got a bunch of inserts, refractors, so I'll sort those. And then a very nice 2 PC hits, Gallegos Auto Green /99, and a nice Gleyber Torres sepia. So very good box, very happy with that. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see ya.